Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on OnlyFans. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official website of OnlyFans. Then, log into your account using your current credentials. Once you are on the home screen, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From there, select the settings option. Now under the settings menu, go to the account section. You will see your current phone number listed there. To change it, click on update phone. Enter the new phone number you want to use and then click on save. Then wait for the verification code that will be sent via SMS. Type in the code once you receive it and your new number will be successfully updated. Make sure your new phone number is active and can receive text, or the verification won't go through. Also remember that you can only have one phone number linked to your OnlyFans account at a time. And that's it. Now you know how to change phone number on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.